Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a demo and review of the Fake Treats Stormy Night Bath Bomb. So this bath bomb looks like a little storm cloud. It's got a little gold lightning bolt painted on it, and I've never tried a black bath bomb before, so that's why I ordered this bath bomb. I ordered it quite a while ago and I just found it in my stash, so I thought I'd do a demo for you guys. So this bath bomb was fresh smelling and slightly sweet. It didn't have a very strong scent at all when it was in the water, but it still had a nice fresh scent. It just didn't leave any scent on my skin. So as you guys can see, this bath bomb was quite foamy. I get that a lot with the Fake Treats bath bombs. I have done another demo of a Fake Treats bath bomb on my channel. If you guys are interested in that, I'll link it in the description. That one was quite foamy as well. I like that about the bath bombs. I think it makes really cute bath art. So it sort of looked like a stormy night to me. Like, it calmed me down. It looked really cool in the water, like marbly. I really liked it. So as you guys can see, this bath bomb definitely did turn my water quite a dark color. I would say it's more of a grey coal sort of color more than a black. It didn't turn my bath completely black. I guess that's hard to do with bath bombs though, and this is a small Australian brand. I will leave their website in the description. So they might not have had the materials to have made like a super dark bath bomb, but this bath bomb was still pretty dark. So that was it for today's video. I would buy this bath bomb again. I wouldn't hurry out to buy it. I think there are better bath bombs out there, but I did enjoy this bath bomb, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.